Sport bookmakers love to give out free bets and risk-free promos, but most people lose them. OddsJam helps you flip that. Using its low-hold betting feature, you can place your free bets in situations where the odds difference is tiny. That means less risk and more of your bonus converting into cash. On top of that, OddsJam's match betting tool lets you cover both outcomes of a game by using promos on one side and regular bets on the other. The result? You protect yourself and turn what's supposed to be a fun bonus into guaranteed profit. And because OddsJam runs in real time with alerts and tracking, you'll never miss these opportunities. If you want to stop wasting promos and start cashing them out, use the link in my description to try OddsJam free for 7 days.